Today I'm going to be reviewing this really pretty wreath. It comes in like just a nice box. When you open the box, you're gonna find that the wreath is inside. It comes with some nice little input here on how to kind of fluff your wreath up after it's been shipped to you. Inside the box, you have the wreath. This is an artificial wreath. It's got lots of color, perfect for spring and even summer. The wreath itself has such nice colors. They're very pastel. You have all of your artificial flowers. You have pastel pinks, you have purples, all different shades of purple, lots of texture and different options inside of this that really give it a lot of dimension. The back of the wreath is bound really nicely. You can see everything's covered in like that paper wrapping for the artificial stems and all of that. Everything has been wrapped together very nicely. It's assembled very nicely, so you can see everything is on here really great, and it'll be super easy to hang on our door. As far as the size of the wreath, here's my hand, so that kind of gives you an idea of the size of the wreath. It is a really nice size. It's not too big, but it's also not too small. Overall, I really like the look of this wreath. It has a very, very nice like combination of colors. It hangs very nicely. It's not super heavy. I literally have it just kind of hung on a suction cup on our front door right now. So that hangs it just fine. I don't have any issue with it whatsoever. Really great for spring. If this is a wreath that you're considering, I do recommend it. It's super pretty. If this is a product that you are considering, this is a product that the manufacturer has gifted me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully that's helped you decide if it's the right product for you. I am really looking forward to having a pretty door this spring, and I think it's going to look fantastic.